Right now on the National Weather Desk, a double threat. Millions in the path of a heavy winter storm system that is moving across the country from the south up to the northeast will take you to the cities expecting snow, while others are bracing for severe weather and the chance for tornadoes in parts of the south. Another gut punch to families still cleaning up from the last set of twisters. And Christmas is over, but what did you do with your Christmas tree? We'll show you a unique way some folks are recycling their trees.
Or physics that's involved, but we don't really see physics involved in meteorology on a scientific level until early part of the 20th century.
From our
And we will
nation's
talk
capital,
with an expert about the
this is the
history.
National Weather Desk.
And good morning, everyone, and welcome to the National Weather Desk. I am Angela Brown. We start in the south today, where winter storms are intensifying, bringing the threat of thunderstorms and flash flooding to the Gulf Coast states. But higher up in the Texas Panhandle and in Oklahoma, they are expecting snow. Meteorologist Joe Puma has more from Amarillo, Texas.
A winter storm is moving through the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles this morning, dropping heavy snow. We have winter storm warnings and winter weather advisories in effect for a large portion of the area, including the city of Amarillo. Now, in terms of snowfall accumulations, by the time everything is said and done, we're looking at some very intense snowfall, basically right along I-40. This is going to bring travel across the region to a grinding halt, with snow-packed roads, very slick conditions, and near whiteout conditions as well. The only good thing with all of this is it is going to bring us some very beneficial moisture. This is going to be a very heavy, wet snow.
Well, once that snow melts, they could possibly get anywhere from ½ an inch to 1½ inches of precipitation in the southeastern portions of the Texas Panhandle. And more snow fell in northeast yesterday. More than 28,000 homes lost power in Maine due to the storm, where they saw a mix of rain, snow, and even ice. And parts of New Hampshire saw well over a foot of snow between Sunday and Monday. The same is true for other areas of New England, and another storm could be on the way. A strong system from Texas to Indiana is moving across the country. We turn now to meteorologist Brian Vandergraff to find out what's expected.
Yeah, another wide-reaching storm. We just saw Joe talk about that snow, and there is snow on the northwestern side of this system, but there's also severe weather, and we have an enhanced risk. That is a level 3 risk from anywhere from Galveston to Lake Charles to New Orleans, all the way over to Panama City. Damaging winds, large hail, and strong tornadoes, EF2 or greater. But on the north side of that system, yeah, we mentioned snow from Amarillo, Oklahoma City, St. Louis, Indianapolis to Columbus. Winter storm warnings are up even into New England. This wide-reaching storm is getting going now in the south, tapping into a lot of Gulf moisture, bringing that storminess down to the deep south at first, and then bringing some of that moisture through the upper Midwest and into the Ohio Valley, where snow becomes a problem on Wednesday. A mix of snow, sleet, and rain from New York to Philly, down towards D.C., and then into New England. More snow through tomorrow night before clearing out of here. But a wide-reaching, very impactful system. Severe weather on the south, wintry weather on the north side.
Snow in the Midwest is not all bad news. It means that finally snowmobile trails are open in places like Wisconsin. Coming just in time for many businesses, Eric Peterson has a story just outside of Green Bay.
There are about 480 miles of trails in Oconto County. Enough snow fell to open the northern part at the end of December. After rain closed them down, snow returned, and those same trails reopened on January 11th. Many routes go near taverns and restaurants like Bailey's Poorhouse in downtown Lakewood.
Winter business, snowmobiling is big for us.
We caught up with owner Brian Bailey before he opened Monday.
We need all the businesses to work together, and by doing this and having the snowmobile trails open, we got a lot of people coming up here and spending money. Our locals do the best they can for us, and we appreciate everything they do. Yeah. But it's also the out-of-town money that helps us get a little bit more back to everybody.
And as Rock Weary and Bobby Hansen continue down the trail, they say they know they're helping the area economy.
There's a lot of man time from the local clubs that there's just a lot of hours that they put in. So with we stopping, spending the money and just a lot of it goes back into the organizations that let us do this.
It definitely like to support the local trail systems and the snowmobile clubs. Yeah. They work hard at what they do here, so we appreciate it and give back to the communities.
So what is causing all this recent severe weather? It's part of a larger system called mid-latitude cyclones. But what does all that mean, that big term? Meteorologist Ryan Mirando explains from Macon, Georgia.
Mid-latitude meaning we're just living in between the tropics to the south and the Arctic to the north, and cyclone just being the name of our system as it moves across the nation. This is all centered around the Big L, our area of low pressure. Think of this as the heart of our storm as it moves across the nation for us. So let's go ahead and put this on the map, where we're still missing a few things. We're missing a warm front that's extending out from the eastern portions of our low, and a cold front as well that's extending out from the south-southwest. Now this area in between the warm and the cold front, that's our warm sector. Think of this like the life support for the heart of our storm that keeps it fueled and keeps it alive as the system moves across the nation for us. Normally during this setup, we see all the snow on the north and northwest portions of the low. We get the line of showers and thunderstorms that's out front of the cold front that brings the south and the southeast the severe weather. There's also some rain and moisture associated with the warm front, but it's generally not as potent or as strong as those storms that are out ahead of the cold front. So moving this across the nation right now, the cold front actually moves faster than the warm front and begins to catch up. This means the system is occluding. That really means, though, that the system is zipping up like a jacket as the fronts begin to meet. But now, since we have that purple occluded front out there, the heart of our storm, the low pressure, is now disconnected from the lifeline, the warm sector, and suddenly the system begins to weaken and die over the next coming hours.
And some parts of the South are preparing for severe weather today, while others are still recovering from the last set of storms. One such twister hit Cook County, Georgia on Sunday. Sade Ray has that story.
County Fire Chief Johnny West explains the damage he saw after the storm.
And hit a couple of buildings on Highway 41 and then come through the Kent-Tobda subdivision where we're at now. We've got about 20 different homes that have got minor damage to them. Like these around us that's got trees on them and things like that.
Chief West tells me the Kent Thomas subdivision was impassable directly after the storm. The cleanup volunteers have been out as early as 8 a.m. working on damaged areas around Ado. West says the tornado lifted and went to Massey Point Road, where minor damage was reported. Ado resident Wade Kett described when the tornado reached the area, Massey Point Road.
The air pressure just dropped, and then it started hitting the house and rushed her into the middle bathroom of the house. Came back out, and literally within 20 seconds, it had come through here and was gone. It was that fast.
Despite the recent storm system and the one moving across the country right now, the eastern United States has really had a pretty mild winter. And if you're puzzled about why that might be, meteorologist Brandon Stover has answers.
Where's the snow? That's the main question snow lovers have been asking much of this winter across the eastern United States. It's been active, just hasn't been cold enough. There's one big reason why that's the case. Really comes down to the storm track. Namely, where exactly are these low pressures tracking along? Now, why is that significant? Well, in the northern hemisphere, you get counterclockwise flow around these low pressure systems. So that means if you're east of these lows, you're naturally going to have a south wind, and that means warmer conditions. If you're on the west side of these lows, you're going to have more of a northerly wind, and that means cold conditions. Can you guess which side most of us across the east have been on this winter? You guessed right, on the eastern side. So that naturally draws up the warmer air, and that means more rain than snow so far this winter.
Now let's check to see the weather in cities across the country. A look here at Cincinnati, Ohio, where skies are partly cloudy with a high of 43 degrees. There's a winter storm warning still in effect, and evening rain is expected to turn into snow. And here in Washington, D.C. area, there's a mix of sun and clouds with a high just below 50 degrees. And now let's take a look at Dalton, Georgia, where skies, are sunny. A few afternoon clouds you can see there are expected with highs in the mid-50s. And finally, we're going to end things right here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, where they have a ton of sun and beach. The high today is in the mid-50s. And